no see picnic nowadays. And what kind of childhood them have? All them want is tablet, PS5 and Wi-Fi. Back in the day, we never have them the luxury there. We had imagination and bruises. Me say, we play some real games back then, you know. Dandy Shandy was for me favorite. I could have sight and I could have duck ball like a what. And don't forget, every cock up was a 10. Lad, me the good panic cock up them, you know. But sometimes, them cock up, they come with enough embarrassment. Me remember one time, me a cock up so fast and so high, me pants scratches tear out, and they pick me no top laugh after me. Then there was Tucky. Lad, where you had to turn up like you a statue and no move. For me cousin Jillian used to take it serious. Very serious. All when mosquito bite the girl, she would have make up her face and take it bite same way. You remember Chinese skip? Lots of that the game they had with jumping like we did a practice for go Olympics. Oh, me can't forget hopscotch. We would have draw a box with stone or chalk and the hot concrete. One time the sun did so hot, me hop and left me slippers behind. A piece of heat take me hand and me foot bottom, you see. Me think I did catch a fire, me foot bottom a catch a fire. Ringer, ringer, roses was hilarious. Everybody sing sweet, sweet, sweet until the part was said, and we all fall down. And there was all that one person who would have fall down extra dramatic, like I said, them dead. That was me. At least be a talk truth. Bullying a pen can't get out. That they come with enough nice, you know. Everybody a scream at the top of their lungs and I run like a lightning, like say they don't have no hook aboard. Ring game was another favorite. There's a brown girl in the ring. Cha la 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 la. That's when you sing like your life depended on it, you know. And don't forget, 1, 2, 3 red light. Them boy would have play marble. We would have skip. There was a gig. La, them the days that was happy, you know. Happy, happy days. After all that, them the games there, we still have to draw water, sweep yard and go shop. No rest. And still, we did happy. Nowadays, picnic ball if them battery dead. Me say, bring back them days, the man, when we never need no charger. All we need was a chalk, or a stone, a ball, and pure nice vibes. Drop a line in the comment field, my people, and tell me about fun childhood games we used to play. And if me miss any, tell me too, because the head not too good nowadays.